heart.
Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you very much.
Thanking God for making me, keeping me here to reach to this age. I didn't have an idea what I reach this age, but thank you for. I have 2 girls, one passed, and that was Juanita, and the other one there is Brenda, and she's here with me. My grandson, my great-grandchildren, my friends that come from all over. And make me feel happy to know that they all came here to celebrate this day with me. Thank God I'm here. I feel good between all friends and everybody that care for me. And that is what counts for me, because I like people to be near to me, and that is what. But I'm feeling okay, thank God. 1938 I came here. I can't remember the age, but 1938 I reached here in Aruba. Well, I born Santo Domingo. And then I went to San Martin, Curacao, and then I came here. Really, I can't say I had any tough time in my life. The toughest time is when my people pass. But different to that, thank God, I never got sleep hungry. So I find that is a lot. And I met a lot of people that care for me, and they show me that they care for me. And that makes me feel good that I reached this age by thanking God and all the people who show me love.
What is the secret to reach the 100 years?
Believe in God and do good, love, peace. It's hard to get that. But if you go with it, you'll make it. So thank God I'm here for the 100. It don't come to me no different. I make 100 years and, it come to me, natural. Live in peace, love, understanding, and forgiving. But truly from the heart, not from the boca, not from the mouth. When you mean it, God would help you there. Because He reached me, I reach with it. So anybody else I should think will reach with it if they believe in God. I thank everybody, and most of all my goddaughter here. We call her Minchi, but it's Clara. Clara, she make everything because my grandson, they all say, Maina, you don't have to know anything. Don't worry about anything. And they fix everything for me, and here I enjoying it with all the people who come to visit me from away. And this is my grandson right there. All of them come, so I feel happy. And all who help.
To make it possible.
Yes, to make it possible.